Have you ever opened a mystery knife box? Well, if this is your first time, I'll show you just what you'd get inside. Usually the package comes with limited edition stickers and 1 to 3 knives. This knife has a good handle and blade shape, but Mystery Knives was so kind to include more than 1 knife inside. This blade feels nice to hold. It has a sleek design and looks perfect to use for any, and I mean any task. On to the next knife. This knife shoots out the blade from the handle on the side. The blade looks really high quality. Opening this next green box, the knife comes right out. We see another nice switchblade that feels great in the hand. The blade looks super sharp. And for the last knife in this red box, it seems like we have a very black, short knife with a hole at the base. This knife ends the lineup perfectly. Would you use these?